Yo, Chad, it's pouring over here in Los Angeles. I'm in a bike ride. It's crazy, Chad. It's crazy, man. I'm in a bike ride, Chad. Oh, Chad. It's crazy. Bah! Bah! Yeah, Chad, like, this is crazy, yo. Go, go, go! And, yeah. Like, I'm in I'm right here, like, vlogging while I'm doing a bike ride. But to say, bro, this rain is harder than I expected. I thought it was going to just be some easy. But until, like, they wanted to do that, but, like, shit, like, it's so hard. All I have is just some shorts and a shirt and some gloves, yo. It's crazy, yo. Hey, I'm the king of rain, though, chat. I got this, fool. Not this going to stop me, yo. I'm easy of rain, okay? I'm like a king of rain, bro. So y'all don't need to worry about me. But hey, I hope this video gets a lot of likes. Because I'm like mixing everything right now. It's like the coolest rain that I ever done in my life, yo. And like there's a lot of puddles around me, fool. But I'm in the street, yo. It's cool down. I'm in the street. It's raining. Los Angeles rain. You know how crazy Los Angeles gets. You know, bro. But yeah, that's crazy, yo. Yeah, it's the life of rain in Los Angeles. It's a cool rain. It's why I gotta speed up my maximum speed because my grandpa is ahead of me, which surprised me, but I'm getting soaked. Somebody has to pray for me in the chat because this is a lot of rain. It's a lot. I bet you guys can see the rain in the background. It's crazy, chat. But I'll say open-minded for the rain, bro. I know what I'm doing. Which is, it's my first rain. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. It's a beautiful day. Hey. Beautiful day. Hey. As you can see, chat, I'm like soaked. Look at my gloves. Ah! Ah! But yeah, chat, it's blocking out here. The rain. I think. Alright, well, there you go. So, alright, there it is, chat. Go! Let's go! But yeah, chat, I can show my hair, so, look at my hair. It's a rainy day, bro. It's the best. I love rainy days, fool, but Los Angeles, they get wild here. It does get wild, but, I'm used to this. I know the Los Angeles weather. I know the Los Angeles rain. I know how crazy it gets in Los Angeles, chat. So yeah, but hold on, chat. I'm still here, chat. I'm still here. Hold on. I'm here. Chat, I'm here. Just had to make a quick stop. But yeah.